Well, what is up, guys? And welcome to your sixth Paint.net tutorial. So in this tutorial, as promised, we'll have about four things: the ellipse select, the zoom, the magic wand, and the pan. So let's get started. The ellipse takes circles, kinda. So let's say that you had something round. Let's say that you had this piece, right? It would be far more easy to select this piece with the ellipse tool than with the lasso tool. So as you can see, if it moves down, it hits more and more correctly. So when you have something selected with the ellipse, it makes like a lasso here, so it can move outside. I'm just gonna texture this with this color, um, so you can see what I mean. Now, there's one thing I haven't told you about the rectangle and the ellipse select. There's a few way of doing it. You can add something to it, like you use the same, like lasso over the same and same select again. There's a subtract, which should remove the lassos that you've made, and all of these things works on both the ellipse and the rectangle. And there's the intersect, which basically just, how can I say it, removes all that has been selected before, and the evert, which basically is like go into each other like this, as you can see. So the next thing is the zoom. Now when you're using the zoom, you zoom out and in. You can zoom very long out and very lot in. As you can see down here, you can see where it is, its position and stuff like that. But you can't zoom infinitely in, but you can kind of roll over the screen with it after. That's pretty useful. There's the magic wand, which basically tries, the code is made so it tries to look for borders, color changes. And again, there's a few modes of doing this. As you can see, there's the same modes as the other ones there. It works on the same way, but there's also flood mode and tolerance, which tells it, how much should I look for borders. If you set it to 0, for instance, and this one would work. Alright, so basically, in the global, it will select everything. That was the magic wand do. Now the pan, oh sorry, not this one, the pan. Basically, you moves around your screen. That's what that is made for. Honestly, there's not much to tell about. You move around, which is very useful. And see, you can move around if you're too far away from the screen. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.